Everything is ready na. So, ready na si Scarlett kung dito tomorrow for her teacher. Since it's teacher day on Friday, then wala masala class on Friday. So, ilatag na lang niya in advance. I have printed out graphics. Yes, three teachers sila. So, I printed three. So, I'll just put this graphics. Each of these graphics, I'll put this inside of this transparent, semi-transparent back. Kailangan siya design. So, I just put it inside and paste it so that it would be visible siya sa outside. So, that's it. So our bag, transparent bag is ready. And then siya yung mga graphics inside, as you can see. So personalized graphics. Then I also have here the shredded paper. Since himahalan ko sa shredded paper online, so I decided na ako na lang magbukas. So I have here, it's a mixed color. And also, since to lose na ka-teacher, I prepared three chocolates na Cadbury, Outline, Kit Kat, and this one is from Germany, chocolate. Ito na yung dinala sa kong happy birthday. And I also have here the candy, parang mist, bullet mist. I got this from Watson, so it's gonna be personalized. I got it from two or from Kenwood here. I also have flowers here. As you remember, katong nalaan mi sa marketplace. I bought this last time. This is from Flower and Sense. But I bought actually four, but since tulo lang sila. But I guess nasa like new teachers, so ako na lang sa itong extra. Then I also found this amazing online sa marketplace. No? I actually ordered four, but ipakabinan ko sa seller. So this is a personalized, mura siya og sudlanan. So amazing teacher. So akong ibutang diri ang akong mga chocolates, o ang mga goods. So I just put it here na lang later on. So let's start putting the chocolates inside of this. No? Lalain sila of this side. So of course I put the chocolate. So there we have and this German chocolates. So wait, ready na din siya. Naran siya ka ng something tape na. Ibuto na ako siya, then I can tape it. See? So I got this and paste it. So all done. And since done ako ko ano, put the chocolate inside of this, then I-prepare na sa ako other stuff. Then what we're going to do is put some this shredded paper inside of each transparent paper bag. See? So let's put here another things as well. More. That's it. So let's start with this one. Jenny. So let's put this amazing picture bag with chocolates inside. Just put here. And this candy cane bread mist. This one here. And don't forget to put the flower. Nice. So this is already the output. As you can see, it's so cute. So let's do the other one. So the rest of the paper are transparent back. Cute. Yes. Here. All things are ready. All of this are ready now for her teacher. So funny kay mga katutski kay while I'm looking for some stuff ba. Nakita na ako sa bag. Then dito na ako naka-remember nga nagbasa na ako of ball pen for the teacher's day that I said ng mga presents daw. So, ako na lang siyang iapas actually. Ako na siyang iapas. So I'll put here inside na lang. So this is so cute. Wala siya girl. So I'll put it here. 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 Yay! It's so cute. Wala na ginalimtan. To be honest, dili man ni siya pagpasikat. But we appreciate teachers good kay they are the second mother. So wala. Hindi na siya kapasikat. But yeah, we appreciate teachers kung good no work.